Hello everyone, welcome to CK channel math solving session. So look at the screen. I have written find the sum of given numbers, right? Here we have 123, 254, 37, 105, 5046. Now 123, 254, 37, 105, 5046. So according to question, we will sum the given numbers. So according to question, we have 123 plus 254 plus 37 plus 105 plus 5046. Here, in view of the commutative property and associative law of addition, we note that while adding any three or more whole numbers, we can group them or change their order in a such way that the calculation becomes easier. You see here that 3 plus 7, 10, 4 plus 6, 10. So let's start to group it. First 123 plus 37 plus 254 plus 5046. Close the bracket, and last we will write 105. Clear? So what is the result of this one? 37 plus 23, it give us 160 plus 254 5046 give us 5300, and here is 105. What would be the result? That is what? So group it 160 plus 5300 because unit place containing 0, right? So in the last we write 105. You know very well, a main motto of this session to introduce you how the commutative property and associative law help us to solve the large values, right? So next one you see here, can we write here equal to, and here 0 plus 0, and here is your 6, and then 1 5 3 3 plus 1 equal to 4, so we write 5460 plus 105, we get 5565. Okay, dear learner, that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.